Have you ever wondered how we came to understand the universe as we do today? The answer lies within the transformative period known as the Scientific Revolution. Spanning from the 16th to the 18th centuries, this epoch marked a significant shift in thought and belief, one that would forever change our approach to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. The Scientific Revolution was not just a time of discovery, but also a seismic shift in perspective. Society began to pivot from religious explanations and mystical narratives towards empirical observations and experimentation. Suddenly the world was not just something to be wondered at, but something to be understood, measured, and predicted. This was the dawn of a revolution, not fought on battlefields but in the minds and hearts of humanity, a revolution that would lay the groundwork for our modern scientific method. So, let's delve into the key figures who spearheaded this intellectual revolution. Our journey begins with Nicholas Copernicus, a man who dared to challenge the geocentric model of the universe. Born in the 15th century, this Polish astronomer and mathematician would forever alter our understanding of the cosmos. Copernicus proposed a radical concept, the heliocentric theory, which positioned the sun, not the Earth, at the center of the universe. This was a bold departure from the accepted Ptolemaic model, which held Earth as the immovable center, with all celestial bodies orbiting around it. Copernicus, however, was not greeted with universal acclaim. His heliocentric theory sparked controversy, and he faced resistance from both the church and the academic world. Despite this, he persisted, and his revolutionary ideas eventually gained acceptance. His work, on the revolutions of the heavenly spheres, became a cornerstone of modern astronomy. Copernicus set the stage for more groundbreaking discoveries in the scientific revolution. His courage to question established beliefs paved the way for future scientific inquiry and progress. Next we meet Galileo Galilei, a man who expanded our view of the cosmos. Born in Italy in the late 16th century, Galileo's curious mind led him to a life of scientific exploration. He is famously known for his improvements to the telescope, transforming it into a tool that could gaze deeper into the mysteries of the universe. With this enhanced telescope, Galileo made astronomical observations that shook the world. He discovered moons orbiting Jupiter, observed the phases of Venus, and documented the rough surface of our own moon, findings that strongly supported Copernicus's heliocentric theory. Yet, his revolutionary ideas were not welcomed by all. Galileo faced a trial by the Inquisition and was put under house arrest for the remainder of his life. But his spirit remained unbroken. His writings and observations continued to circulate, challenging the status quo and igniting scientific curiosity. Galileo's courage in the face of opposition paved the way for the next generation of scientists. Finally, we encounter Sir Isaac Newton, whose laws of motion and universal gravitation revolutionized our understanding of the physical world. Born in the 17th century, Newton was an English mathematician and physicist who formulated principles that have profoundly influenced the course of scientific thought. Let's delve into his laws of motion. First, Newton posited that an object will remain at rest or move in a straight line unless acted upon by a force. Second, he stated that force equals mass times acceleration, a concept that explains why a feather falls slower than a hammer. Lastly, Newton's third law proclaims that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. But he didn't stop there. Newton also proposed the law of universal gravitation, asserting that every particle of matter in the universe attracts every other particle with a force directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. Newton's contribution cemented the principles of the scientific revolution, forever changing our perception of the universe. So, how has the scientific revolution shaped our world today? Well, its legacy is profound and far-reaching. The scientific revolution didn't just introduce new theories, it transformed the way we approach understanding itself. It gave us the scientific method, a tool for objective, systematic inquiry. This method, based on observation, hypothesis, experimentation, and analysis, is the backbone of modern science. Moreover, the scientific revolution marked a significant shift from religious to empirical explanations. It encouraged people to seek answers in nature, rather than in divine texts. This shift in worldview was a catalyst for the Enlightenment, a period of intellectual and cultural growth that championed reason, individualism, and skepticism. The revolution's influence continues to permeate every corner of science, from astronomy to zoology, It was a period of exploration and knowledge that fundamentally altered our conception of the universe and our place within it. The scientific revolution, a remarkable period of discovery and knowledge, continues to illuminate our understanding of the universe to this day.